Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Christina Reeves and this is my co-author, Dimitrios Panos. We wrote the book, The Mind is the Map, and we have created a series of chapter workshops. These workshops further explain the lessons and ideas from our book.
You will come to understand and appreciate the importance of living lightly. You will be able to achieve inner peace, free of the mind's control. You will learn to love yourself by forgiving the past and honoring your needs.
We must accept our life situations as it is until we're able to change it. And you will learn to interface with the world from a place of empowerment and compassion.
The next concept involves living our life with purpose and passion. Showing up for life with great passion, we joyfully create a life experience.
Become a passionate builder. We're co-creators. Co-create in sync with nature's rhythms and feel more in harmony with life and the world around you.
Learning to live and love from the heart adds new meaning to your life and adds new meaning to everyone around. Cultivate kindness towards self and others in the area of worthiness, respect, esteem, confidence, empowerment, and freedom of choice.
Our courses are different and they're directly connected to the concepts we introduced to you in our book, The Mind is the Map. We have made learning fun and interactive. We even have our own little character, Mim, to be your guide throughout the workbook. We're here to walk with you, helping you to succeed in transforming your patterns and creating your best life.
And when you sign up for our self-discovery workshops, you'll receive audio recordings, chapter PDFs, plus many more member resources and opportunities to chat one-on-one with us and others in our community.
You'll also have access to our private community forum, which allows you to connect with other students and some of our master coaches.
Our lessons will help you develop new ideas and reinforce the notion that there is no right or wrong in any experience. Life simply is what it is. We thank you for watching, and please read below for more information about the rest of our courses and how to sign up.